If you're trying to figure out how to import data into Monday.com, you're in the right place. Today, we'll walk through the process of importing your data into Monday.com and give you some insight into how the platform works. By the end, you'll not only know how to do it, but also discover if Monday.com is really the best fit for your needs, especially when it comes to managing data. Let's start with the basics. When you first sign into Monday.com, you'll notice a pretty simple interface. But what if you're dealing with an existing database? Importing that data into Monday.com is pretty straightforward. The first thing you'll need to do is head to the board where you want to import the data. Click on the three dots on the top right and select Import Data. Next thing, you'll have a few options for importing. You can upload from a variety of sources: Excel, CSV, Google Sheets, or even other project management tools. If you're coming from Trello or Asana, Monday.com makes this process super easy. Just choose your file or connect your account, and the platform will automatically try to map your existing data to its columns. Now, here's the fourth thing to keep in mind: the data mapping process. This is where things can get a little tricky, depending on your original file structure. Monday.com does a pretty good job of auto-mapping, but you'll probably want to double-check that everything is correct. If your data includes multiple columns or specific date formats, you might need to do some manual adjustments to ensure everything looks just right. One more thing to be aware of is how Monday.com handles imports from other tools. While it's a great option, it's not always the most flexible. Sometimes you may run into issues with more complex data structures, and getting it to sync seamlessly could take more time than expected. The next thing is a really handy feature: Monday.com's automation options. Once your data is in place, Calm allows you to automate tasks, notifications, and updates. This helps streamline your workflows, but keep in mind that automation isn't as advanced as other competitors in the market. If you need highly customizable automation, this might not be your best option. So here's where it gets interesting. While Monday.com is a good tool for basic imports, if you're looking for something more robust, you might want to consider alternatives. Tools like Airtable or ClickUp offer better flexibility in managing and importing complex data. These platforms let you handle everything from multi-step imports to more intricate data structures, and they might even give you a smoother transition if you're moving from another platform. And here's where it gets even better. We've partnered with some of these alternatives and got you an exclusive, extended free trial. By signing up through the link in the description, you'll get access to these amazing tools and benefits that Monday.com just can't match when it comes to importing data. You'll get a better solution tailored to your specific needs, and even a better user experience. To recap, Monday.com is solid, but if you need more flexibility, Airtable or ClickUp could be better options for your goals. And remember, through our link, you'll get the best free trial and exclusive perks that are only available to our viewers. Thanks for watching. Make sure to check out the links in the description and get started with your free trial today.